My name is Danielle. I'm Miss Happy Housewife, and I'm here teaching you that there is no such thing as a perfect housewife, just a happy one. For the past few days, we have been getting our house in order one baby step at a time. Today, we are here in the bedroom because we're going to be adding making your bed to the morning routine. I go downstairs, I have some coffee, and then I get started with my day. I'm not gonna lie to you, that's what I do. That also gives my husband a chance to get out of the bed because I don't wanna make the bed while he's still in it, right? That's weird. I'm gonna make the bed and I have a few other things to do. I also have an update when it comes to the entryway. Let me go ahead, let me make this bed.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one.
I want to go and talk about the choices that we made for the entryway. You saw yesterday that I put the bench over here in my launch pad. You know, my husband and I talked about it. We put our old credenza right there, and I'll show you a picture of that right here. I need to go and make it a little bit nicer looking, but that's our launch pad. When we're ready to go out the door, we could just get our stuff and go. But right now I need to unload the dishwasher and get started with my day.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. Touch my hand, it all goes.
So next on our list, I still have laundry that has to get done. Remember, we're doing a small load, not really big, that you just want to do something that you'll be able to go through the whole cycle with. Sort it, start it, move it, go and fold it and put it away. So let me go ahead and get that started.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out,
So now that I have the clothes inside the washer, I'm going to tackle my hot spot. So again, it's like 15 minutes of decluttering, and I'm only gonna do 2 minutes here because I have a lot of other stuff that I'm going to add into my decluttering, at least for now. But I wanna go ahead and tackle that, a big hot spot, which is my island, and I'll be right back. So let's go do that.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. Touch my hand, it all goes away. The how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand.
Here's what we have to do for the rest of my decluttering. I have these boxes right there. They have to go. Tomorrow is the bulk trash pickup. I'm getting my new dining room table. So I need to go and get all these boxes, break them down, and get them out to the garage. And that's gonna be part of my decluttering. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right to it.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at
I need to go ahead and move the clothes into the dryer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I need to start working on making sure I have a clear path from the door to the kitchen where they're going to be putting the table. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all that going.
no one stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna.
So I'm looking around and it looks like there's some things I'm not gonna be able to do myself. So I'm gonna have to get my husband to get some of the bigger things, the heavier things. They go upstairs. That's the bad part. A lot of this goes upstairs. So I'm gonna start moving some of that, and that way we'll be ready for tomorrow. So let me see what I can't move upstairs.
Now I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
I got all the boxes out of the way. While I'm here, I want to go and get your opinion. So I have a formal dining room table, and which way do you think it should be? So do you want it long ways like this? Or do you like it sideways like this? All right, so the dryer is done. I gotta take those clothes out, fold them, and put them away.
Not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
So dinner's done. All that's really left is to load the dishwasher and shine the sink. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I need to get to bed.
Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
So I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed and let's find out what we're doing tomorrow. I believe we're going to be finishing up the last of our morning routine. So I'll see you in that video. Bye, guys.